Welcome to this rare Abbey Springs Carefree unit with an attached one-car garage. Relax in the multiple expanded sunroom areas or cozy up next to the gas fireplace with stone surround. The two bedrooms are conveniently located off the kitchen living room and are highlighted by brand new vinyl plank flooring. This condo offers 2 levels of living space plus a loft that's perfect for an office or additional sleeping area. Abbey Springs amenities include private beach, marina, boat launch, golf course, fitness center, indoor-outdoor pools, and dining. Future $16 million yacht club project for the new owners to enjoy for years to come.